back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. You guys probably seen like my eyes are primed, I have my brows are done also. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I don't really have an intro for you guys. I'm just gonna jump right in because I tend to ramble and then my videos are like really long. So yeah, we're just gonna start. So for today's video, I have the Colourpop Main Squeeze palette. You guys know I bought a lot of them, so today I just wanted to get into this one. So we're just gonna get started. So like I said, my eyes are primed. I have foundation. I have a bit of concealer and foundation on my eyelids, and then my brows are done. You guys can tell like everything's still in there. So haven't used it. I don't think I didn't swatch it either. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. You guys probably seen it like 100 times already. It's not a new palette or anything like that. So first things first, like I said, my eyes are primed, so I'm going to get my blending brush, this one here, and the first shade I'm gonna use is Big Gulp, which is this one here, to put all over my crease as a transition shade. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so you basically want it to look something like this. So it's really just like a wash of color. So next I'm gonna take like some kind of like pencil brush. It looks like this. It's almost like a blending brush, but it's a bit more dense. And then I'm gonna take my small blending brush by Real Techniques. So I'm gonna get into the shade Like It's Hot. It's this shade here. That's right here. And basically I'm just gonna deepen the crease. So first I'm gonna take my pencil brush. Take some, tap the excess and really pack it on the crease. And then after we're gonna use the small blending brush to blend it so it doesn't look harsh. Basically, I'm just gonna blend until it's to my liking. If you guys want it to be more intense, you can always go back, pack it on, and then blend again until you find like it's bright enough for you. Okay, so this is what we're working with. So it's well blended. This is what we're gonna work with. So now I'm gonna cut my crease with some concealer. I think I'm gonna use my Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I don't think it's the best concealer to cut the crease with, but that's all I have right now. And I don't wanna open a new concealer just for that. So I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna use my brush. This is just like a shadow brush. I like it because it's kind of flat. You guys can see that it's kind of flat, so it works pretty well when you want to cut the crease. So to make it more even, I'm gonna use a pencil, like a lip brush, whatever, just to make it a bit more precise. Just like this. Sort of like cutting the crease should be a sport. It's so intense. So next, I'm gonna use my favorite brush. Find it. You guys know I love my smudger brushes to back out the shadows. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use the shade Maraschino. I don't know what it means. The shade in the middle here. So I'm gonna pack it on all over the lid with this brush. That shade is really pretty. Wow. Like, so far I like this palette better than the purple one. Okay, so it should look something like this. So next I'm gonna take, I'm gonna go back to Like It's Hot, the shade here. I'm gonna use a angle brush. So I'm gonna blend in between here. Or you can use either this or the shadow brush that you had before, the smudge brush. It's really up to you. Just back to this. The lighting is not the best, but that's winter for you. So I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna dip into Juicy Fruit, the shade that's on top here. I'm just gonna put it like a little bit in the middle here, just to have some kind of reflection, I guess. Just see how it goes. I'm gonna put it like a little bit just to see. Like basically like right after you blend it. So basically like, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a bit more reflective. Yeah, just like that. So I'm gonna go and do my base. I'm not doing it on camera just because the lighting is already like fading and it's like 2:30 in the afternoon. Yeah, winter here is just a mess. So just to like go a little bit faster in the process, I'm gonna do my face really quick and I'll be back to finish eyes. Okay, so yeah, I did my face already, so I'm just gonna continue on the eyes. We're gonna work on the lower lash line, but first I'm gonna water my I can't even talk. But first I'm gonna put some pencil liner in my waterline. This one is just a black one. So I'm gonna go back to my angle brush. I'm just gonna go back and use Like It's Hot, this shade here, to smoke out my lower lash line. And in the inner corner, I'm gonna use a little bit of more like this one, build Big Gulp, like more in the inner corner here. You can switch brushes if you'd like. So first I'm using Like It's Hot and smoking out the outer lash line. And of course you want to connect the two so it all looks like it's all together. First I'm just lining it and then I'm gonna smoke it out. I'm just gonna use my blending brush that we had before, the small one. I'm not gonna add anything, so I'm just gonna smoke out whatever I already placed. When I'm saying I'm not gonna add anything, I mean like more shadow. So just like that. I'm gonna use another angle brush for the inner corner. I'm gonna use Big Gulp, just right here. I'm just using this one in the inner corner because I find it's a bit brighter, so it kind of opens up the eye a little bit more than the other shadow. And you want it to blend with the other one, so just like this. I think I'm gonna add a bit of shadow in the inner corner, but first I'm just gonna like wipe off the excess under my eyes. So I'm just gonna use my brush here. And in case you guys are wondering, today I use my Can't Stop Won't Stop powder to bake. So in the inner corner, I'm gonna use that shade that we used in the middle, Juicy Fruit, just to add a little something. So I don't know what to use. I'm gonna use a pencil brush, I guess, like a liner brush, and see how that goes. I never know what to use in the inner corner, honestly. So I'm gonna use a bullet brush, dip it in. The shade is kind of weird because there's a little bit of pink under it. Like it has like some kind of a chrome effect. So there's a little bit of pink under. So yeah, that's how it looks, I guess. So next I'm gonna continue with the eyes. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I'm just gonna use my Téléscopic because anyways I'm gonna put false lashes, and this one works well with it. On the bottom lashes too. So next I'm gonna put some highlight. Today I'm gonna use, I'm gonna start my Master Chrome. I haven't used it in so long, but I use it every day, like as an everyday highlight, but to film, like I don't use it anymore. I don't know why. Well, I use it every day. I use it when I have time to put eyeliner on. Basically, that's what it is. And then on top of that, I'm gonna use my Amrezy highlight, just to give it a bit more of a like glossy. It's not glossy, but it's more like vibrant, I find. And it really catches on the light better than any other highlight that I have. So, you see that? Like, good, yes, because we love it. So next, I'm gonna do my lips before anything else. So I'm gonna use my pencil liner. You guys know I always use this. Should I go nude? We're gonna go nude. So I'm going to use my Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D on top. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. Just get the dishes until I find it's like drying, but it's blended to my liking. Now it's basically dry. And like it's blended, so I'm gonna do this. And next I'm gonna use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi on top. This one gives it more like of a beige look. That's why I like putting it on top. You don't have to if you find the other one looks better already. If it looks better to you like before this, I don't add much, just a little bit, just so it has like some kind of a beige look like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, finish my eyes, just put on some lashes, do my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is how it looks. So again, today I used my Main Squeeze palette by Colourpop. I have to say, compared to like my It's My Pleasure palette, I really enjoyed this one better. It might just only be because I found I took more of my time with this one. It might just be that, I don't know, but I don't know, even the shadows I thought were a little bit more vibrant and easier to work with. It's pretty similar, I'm gonna be honest, but I don't know, maybe I just love the way my makeup turned out this time, better than last time. You guys remember how I felt after the last time. Yeah, so this is basically how it looks, like this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I'm only doing makeup tutorials lately, but this is what I really like to do. So honestly, if you guys like it too, then continue on watching. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. My face is beat, like if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Like always, I'll respond to your comments. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, just let me know. Like I guess I'll just continue. If you guys want to see anything else, if you guys have any ideas or whatever, leave them down below and I'll get to them. I'm really sorry also for the lack of videos throughout December. If you've been an OG subscriber of mine, you guys know that usually December is my favorite month. Like I'll post like twice a week, but this year it's not that I wasn't into it, I just didn't have the time to film. And I could have, but the thing is I don't want to rush it because I like to take my time when I do makeup tutorials, when I like plan things and everything. So I'm really sorry, like this year I don't have any like holiday looks. I'm just filming and hoping that I can put it up as soon as possible, and that's it. So again, if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to put a like, don't forget to comment down below. If you've been here for a while, like let me just say thank you for sticking around and still watching my videos. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It would be really appreciated. You're guys gonna see like makeup looks like this. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.